Welcome children, take out your geography book. Chapter 6, Energy and Power Resources. Today's topic, solar power. What is solar power? Solar power is the energy that is obtained from the sun. Solar energy is one of the most abundant of energy resources on earth that can be tapped especially in tropical countries such as India, where the rays of sun is direct and the daylight hours are longer. Now, solar energy, what is it? It is found in abundant quantity. That means in most large quantity it is found. This energy resource, it is the energy resources on the earth which can be tapped easily, especially in tropical country. Our country, that means India. India is also such a tropical country as the rays of the sun falls direct on it and the daylight hours remains for a long time. Solar power usually refers to the conversion of solar energy to electricity. Now, solar power, what does it refers to? It refers to the conversion, that means converting of the solar energy into electricity. Photovoltaic technology is mostly used to directly convert sunlight into electrical energy. To convert this sunlight into electrical energy, photovoltaic technology is used. Solar panel consists of an array of photovoltaic cells which convert sunlight directly into electricity. Solar panel. What is solar panel? It consists of an array of photovoltaic cells and this converts the sunlight directly into electricity. Traditionally, cells are made of silicon. Now, cells. What are the cells made up of? It is made up of silicon. However, nowadays a variety of materials are used to make high efficiency photovoltaic. Presently, in the present situation, we use different types of materials to make high efficiency photovoltaic. Uses. Solar power is used for lighting streets, homes and lighthouses in port. Now, solar power. What is solar power used for? Solar power is used for lighting the street houses and lighthouses in ports. It is also used in traffic signals. Now, solar power. This solar power is even used in traffic signal. Solar energy is being used to heat water in cold countries. Even in cold countries, solar energy is used. It is also used in heat ovens and even it is used in heat ovens. Other than this, solar cooker is another becoming popular nowadays. Spacecraft make use of solar energy as well. Modern energy efficiency buildings have been designed to use solar energy for heating and lighting. Other than this, in the present condition, solar cooker is also becoming popular. Spacecrafts are also using the solar energy. Even modern energy efficient buildings, they are designing and using the solar energy for heating and lighting. Now, there are some advantages of this solar power. Now, what are the advantages of solar energy? Solar energy is not only cheap but also an inexhaustible source of energy. Now, solar power is a very cheap source of energy and it is also inexhaustible source of energy. Solar panels are largely used in isolated island, remote hills, forests and desert regions for domestic lighting and street lighting. Now, solar panels, they are largely used in isolated island, then in remote hills, forests and desert regions for this domestic lighting and even street lighting. It is clean and do not pollute the atmosphere. Now, solar energy, it is very clean and even do not pollute the atmosphere. Disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of solar energy? It is not reliable source of energy on cloudy days and during winter. Now, this solar energy, it is not at all reliable source of energy during the cloudy days or during the winter months. It is not very energy efficient. Even it is not energy efficient. Germany, Japan, USA, France and Spain led to the world in the use of solar energy. Now, solar energy is used by different countries of the world. For example, Germany, Japan, USA, France and Spain. The desert region of India has a high potential of producing solar energy to meet the needs for the rising energy consumption. Now, desert region of India. Now, desert region, that means western part of India. They have this high potential and they use this solar energy to meet the needs for the rising energy consumption. Now comes the wind power. Now, wind power. What is this wind power? We obtain this wind power from the wind energy, that is the wind. Wind is another endless source of energy. Centuries ago, kinetic energy of wind was harnessed with the help of wooden windmills for grinding corn and or pumping water. Now, wind, what is it? It is another endless source of energy. In the ancient time, that means during the ancient time, the kinetic energy of wind, it was harnessed with the help of wooden mills. And these wooden mills used to grind the corns or they used to pump out the water. For thousands of years, wind-powered boats and ships transported people and cargo across rivers, seas and oceans. For example, thousands of years wind power means people used to use this wind power boats and ship used to transport the people and cargo. What is this cargo means? Cargo means very large ship which used to run across the rivers, seas or oceans. Today, electricity is generated using modern windmills or wind turbines. Now in present condition or the present situation of the day, we use electricity to generate the modern windmills or the wind turbines, which are tall tubular towers with blades. Now, what does this modern windmill consist of? This modern wind turbines, it looks like a very tall tubular towers and consisting of blades, which moves the blades that are attached to a turbine. Now, wind, it moves the blade and they are attached to a turbine, which in turn is connected to a generator. Now, in turn, this wind, it is connected to a generator. This generates electrical energy from wind power. Now, it generates electrical energy from wind power. It should be noted here that for successful generation of power, wind should blow at a steady speed of at least 20 km. Now, we can note easily that in order to successful generation of power, we can blow the wind. When wind blows, it blows at a very steady speed. That means at least 20 km per hour. In 1 hour, that means it blows at a speed of 20 km. Modern windmills or wind turbines have large blades and can produce electricity for homes, hotels, schools, farms and commercial enterprises. Now, modern windmills or the wind turbine, it consists of very large blades and it can produce electricity for homes, hotels, schools, farms and commercial enterprises. Wind farms consist of a cluster of windmills for large scale generation. Now, wind farms, what does this consist of? It consists of cluster of windmills for large scale generation of power. Now, there are some advantages of wind power. Now, what are these advantages of wind power? Wind is a green source of energy and does not cause pollution. Now, what is wind? It is a green source. What does this green source refers to? Green source refers to the greenery, or you can say fresh source of energy which never causes pollution. It is abundantly available in nature and thus a source of renewable energy. Now, it is found in large quantity in nature, it is found in large quantity and it is renewable source of energy. It is cheap and as are the operational cost associated with wind power are low. Now, it is a very cheap source of energy. Now, here are some disadvantages of this wind power. Now, what are these disadvantages of this wind power? First, that wind is unpredictable and the availability of wind energy is not constant. Now, wind, what is? It is unpredictable. What does this unpredictable means? It means that we cannot predict the wind and this availability of wind energy, it is not always constant. That means it do not remain same and thus always. Initial cost of setting a wind farm for large scale production is used. Now, initial cost, that means the cost for setting the wind farm for large scale production is too much. Environmentalists believe that the rotating blade of a wind turbine are a threat to birds, bats and other aerial creatures. Now, environmentalists, what they believe, according to them, these rotating blades of this wind turbine, they give great threatening to birds, bats and other aerial creature. What does this aerial creature mean? Aerial creature refers to the creature that flies in the air. In India, wind energy is utilized mostly in the coastal areas such as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Lakshadweep Island. Now, India, you know, India is a very vast country and here wind energy, it is used mostly in the areas of coastal areas, that is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Lakshadweep Island. Some of the countries that lead in the production of wind energy are China, USA, Brazil, India, Germany, Japan, UK and Canada. Now, some countries of the world that are the leading producer of wind energy, they are China, Japan, USA, Brazil, India, Germany, UK and Canada. Now, take out your diary. Today up to this much. Now take out your diary, write chapter 6, energy and wind power resources, topic solar power and wind power, explain, homework, revise it. And with this, I am ending my today's class.